Apple cider vinegar is the most popular type of vinegar in the natural health community. It is claimed to lead to all sorts of benefits. This includes weight loss, reduced cholesterol, lower blood sugar levels and improved symptoms of diabetes. It is also an ancient folk remedy, and has been used for various household and cooking purposes. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar comes from apples that have been crushed, distilled, and then fermented. It can be consumed in small quantities or taken as a supplement. Its high levels of acetic acid, or perhaps other compounds, may be responsible for its supposed health benefits. Although recommendations for dosing vary, most are on the order of 1 to 2 teaspoons before or with meals. What can the apple cider vinegar do for you? For thousands of years, compounds containing vinegar have been used for their presumed healing properties. It was used to improve strength, for detoxification, as an antibiotic, and even as a treatment for scurvy. While no one is using apple cider vinegar as an antibiotic anymore, at least, no one should be, it has been touted more recently for weight loss. What's the evidence? In all, the scientific evidence that vinegar consumption, whether of the apple cider variety or not, is a reliable, long-term means of losing excess weight is not compelling. On the other hand, a number of studies suggest that vinegar might prevent spikes in blood sugar in people with prediabetes and type 2 diabetes by blocking starch absorption. Is there a downside to the apple cider vinegar? For many natural remedies, there seems to be little risk, so a common approach is, why not try it? However, for diets with high vinegar content, a few warnings are in order. Vinegar should be diluted. Its high acidity can damage tooth enamel when sipped straight. Consuming it as a component of vinaigrette salad dressing is a better way. It has been reported to cause or worsen low potassium levels. That's particularly important for people taking medications that can lower potassium, such as common diuretics taken to treat high blood pressure. Vinegar can alter insulin levels. People with diabetes should be particularly cautious about a high vinegar diet. So what? If you are trying to lose weight, adding apple cider vinegar to your diet probably won't do the trick. Of course, you'd never suspect that was the case by the way it's been trending on Google Health searches. But the popularity of diets frequently has little to do with actual evidence. If you read about a new diet, or other remedy, that sounds too good to be true, a healthy dose of skepticism is usually in order. Thank you for watching. Do you think this video was helpful? If yes, please give us a like and make sure to subscribe for more videos.